Good morning, guys. This is Mrs. Carr. Today is Thursday, April 23rd, and I'm here for your rundown on science. So we've been talking about a lot about fossils, so today we're going to get a little bit deeper, and this time we're going to talk about careers, if you really like this topic, what you could do with it in life. So we're digging into what's called paleontology. So the very first thing you're going to do is watch this video about paleontology, okay? And then, of course, we have an article. And as usual, you can read it directly from the screen like this if you'd like. You can make it larger if you want, or you can print it out if you have access to a printer. I don't have access, but I could download it if I wanted to. Again, and then you would click on it here and it would pop up in a new tab and giving you the same thing. So you have this option of reading this article. After you're done reading this article, then of course you're going to come here and answer these discussion questions. As usual, guys, please make sure that you are going back and responding, or going back and looking rather, for the responses from your teachers, either later in the afternoon or the next morning before you get started. All posts are going to be responded to, so please make sure you're looking for that, especially if you need to make clarification. All right, and then the last one, pretty cool here, guys. We have a virtual field trip. You're going to visit the American Museum of Natural History online. So here's this. Click on this tab. Okay, and then you're going to really look at all these different things that you can click on. There you go. And so you just have time to play in this website. Okay, guys? All right, please make sure that you're utilizing Microsoft Teams to ask any questions that you have. Please let us know if you need anything, guys. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.